Are your workplace ergonomics up to par? Or are daily tasks at your job causing you more strain than they should? Welcome to My Safety Hub, where we tackle key health and safety topics to help you create a better working environment. I'm Okert Fourie, and today we're diving into the world of ergonomics. Ergonomics is about designing the workplace and its tasks to fit the worker rather than forcing the worker to fit the work. This approach not only helps prevent a wide range of injuries, but also boosts overall productivity and employee satisfaction. In this episode, we'll guide you through identifying ergonomic risks in your workplace and implementing effective solutions. Whether you're at a desk, on the shop floor, or anywhere in between, understanding and applying ergonomic principles can make a huge difference in your daily work life. Identifying ergonomic risks is the first critical step towards creating a healthier workplace. But what exactly are we looking for? Ergonomic risks often involve repetitive motion, improper workstation setup, inadequate equipment, or any activity that puts undue strain on your body. To spot these risks, start with an ergonomic assessment. This can be as simple as observing the daily tasks each employee performs and noting any signs of discomfort or strain. Look for repetitive tasks, awkward postures, and activities that require excessive force or lead to excessive vibration. Engage with your employees. Use surveys or direct feedback sessions to gather information about their experiences and any discomfort they feel. Often, the best insights come directly from those performing the tasks. Documenting these findings is crucial. Use standardized forms to record and analyze the data. This documentation will not only help you track progress, but also prioritize which ergonomic issues need the most immediate attention. Once you've identified the ergonomic risks in your workplace, the next step is to implement solutions that can help alleviate these issues. The goal is to adjust the work environment so that it promotes health and safety efficiently. Start with the basics, such as adjustable furniture. Ensure that desks and chairs can be adjusted to fit the individual needs of each employee. This simple change can significantly reduce the risks of back pain, wrist strain, and other musculoskeletal disorders. In more physically demanding environments, consider introducing ergonomic tools that help reduce strain. This might include adjustable height workstations for assembly lines or anti-fatigue mats for those who stand for long periods. Training is also essential. Educate your employees on the importance of ergonomics and proper posture. Provide training on how to use ergonomic tools correctly and the best practices for avoiding injuries. Remember, communication is key. Regularly discuss these improvements with your team and encourage feedback. This ongoing dialogue helps ensure that the solutions are effective and that any new issues are addressed promptly. Implementing ergonomic solutions not only reduces the risk of injuries, but also brings a host of other benefits that can transform your workplace. Let's explore how good ergonomics positively impacts both health and productivity. Firstly, health improvements. Proper ergonomic practices significantly decrease the risk of musculoskeletal disorders such as back injuries and carpal tunnel syndrome, which are amongst the most common work-related ailments. This leads to reduced absenteeism and lower healthcare costs, benefiting both employees and employers. Next, let's talk about productivity. When employees are comfortable, they are naturally more focused and efficient. Ergonomic improvements often lead to faster task completion and higher quality work because employees aren't distracted by discomfort or fatigue. Moreover, investing in ergonomics shows your commitment to employee well-being, which enhances job satisfaction and morale. A happy and healthy workforce is more engaged and less likely to leave, reducing the turnover rates and the costs associated with hiring and training new staff. Ultimately, good ergonomics is good business. It's an investment that pays off by creating a safer, more efficient, and more pleasant working environment. We've covered the critical steps to identify and implement ergonomic solutions in your workplace, and we've seen the immense benefits they can bring. From reducing the risk of injuries to boosting productivity and morale, the importance of good ergonomics cannot be overstated. Now, it's your turn to take action. Assess your own workplace for ergonomic risks. Engage with your employees to find out what changes can make a significant difference in their day-to-day work life. Start small if you need to, but start making those improvements today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to My Safety Hub for more insightful content. Share your experiences with ergonomic improvements or ask questions in the comments below. We're here to help and learn together. Stay safe, stay inspired, and until next time, take care.